Hi guys, today we are going to make a YouTube reel on Canva in easiest way. Yes, it is too much easy. First we all have to choose the YouTube reel option and then click on it. Now let's open the page and choose a template. I like to choose the trending, but I think Canva doesn't have option. So let's see a template. That's not good at all. What can we do? Idea. A game template. Let's apply all the pages. Now edit in your own style. Now download it and then go on YouTube and publish. Now follow me. Click on YouTube Studio and click on the Create button. Click Upload Video. Just follow me. Now add your video that you download. Now upload in your own style. Let's refresh for see our video. Look, now it come. We done it. It comes to the short category. Now you all can upload without editing. Now just hit a button up like if you like. I hope you liked the video and try it yourself. Bye for now.